Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to build a infinite water source so you can have infinite water. If you use it correctly, you'll have like infinite water. You can keep refilling your buckets over and over again. So here's how it works. You dig a 2x2 hole in the ground like this. And then you do this. Like that. And then when you take a bucket, like this, you can do this. See, it just refills itself automatically. It's infinite water if you do it like that. That's how you make an infinite water source. So I hope you guys have a great day. And I'll see you in the next video. And bye.